Arbitronics got a Guthrie laptop LCD replacement. Real quick. Alright. Gotta have your hands clean. Alright, number one. Get up in there, boy. Definitely make sure your device is powered down. Alright. Once you get your pry tool in there, it's a snap. Okay. Watch around your screen area at the bottom. You don't want to pull your ribbon. So once you take the screen housing off, wait a minute, it's stuck on tape. Okay. Take the screen housing off, sit that to the side. Now, I'm exposed with screws. So, I'm take the first screw off. To the side. Okay. Lift up on the LCD ribbon, make sure the camera ribbon and nothing is behind it. Alright. LCD, okay, we can flip that over. Come up under the old tape. Alright, you gotta be careful with this part. You don't want to tear your ribbon or your screen will not show. Pull your pins out. There you have the old busted LCD laptop. LCD. Alright. Okay. This fresh package, y'all. Ooh, beautiful. He's so beautiful. But before we remove the film, what we will do is we're going to go ahead and connect him. Connect him right here. We're going to stick our pins back in correctly. Making sure your whole panel is in. Not too hard to break your panel, but okay. And if you can, if you're able to, put your tape back to secure your ribbon. Before I secure the new screen, I will give it a test. All right. Screen is performing. Okay. All right, let me check. Lightness and darkness of the screen. It performs correctly. All right. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll go in reverse. Which I have all the screws on the magnet. This is the safest way so you won't lose the screw. And I go back. My same process. Remove protective. very carefully. Housing. Make sure the housing is correct. At the tops first. All panels in place. Perfect and secure. Thank you for watching my video. Scotty Guthrie. Only took a couple of minutes. Thank you very much. See me soon.